Assalamualaikum. My name is Noliana binti Hafiz. Today, I will present about the strategic management of POS Malaysia Berhad. First of all, POS Malaysia Berhad is engaged in the provision of postal and related services. The company operates in three segments: mail, courier, and retail. Mail includes the provision of basic mail, services for corporate and individual customer, and customized solutions, while courier includes courier solutions by sea, air, and land to both national and international destinations. Retail includes over-the-counter services for payment of bills and retail certain financial products and services. POS Malaysia was founded in 1926 and based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The company is listed on Bursa Malaysia under the main market. The competitors for POS Malaysia is FedEx, DHL, and Skynet, while the vision for POS Malaysia is connecting Malaysia and beyond for today and tomorrow, while their mission is build and deliver the network of choice. SWOT stands for Strength, Weakness, Opportunities, and Threats. Strength and weakness are internal for the company, while opportunities and threats are external for the company. TOWS extends a SWOT analysis. TOWS examines a company's external opportunities and threats and compares them to the firm's strength and weakness. This analysis forms the basis to develop TOWS strategies and to form actionable tactics. For the strength opportunities strategy, it will develop plans that leverage the strength of the company to capitalize on opportunities. The idea could be to diversify into new markets, improve the quality of the products, and reduce the cost of top-selling products. For example, for this company, it is improve e-commerce with different service that give impact to the consumer. After identifying the weakness, it is focused on ways to resolve them in a goal to take advantage of the opportunities. This might require finding new and cheaper suppliers, developing more aggressive marketing, and many more. For the weakness opportunity for the POS Malaysia strategy is that provide new product facility as the company for the postal and courier service. For the strength and threats strategies, the company will use the strength to counter the external threats. If the company has a strong research and development department, they will start a new product development projects to enter the different market. For example, for the POS Malaysia Berhad, they make a collaboration or strategic partnership to increase the revenue of the company. For the weakness threat strategy, it means that find ways to minimize weakness and counter threats. This could involve closing out poor selling products, terminating underperforming employees, and developing more aggressive selling techniques. For the POS Malaysia Berhad, it has the strategy of introducing new line of services or product to gain customer attention and benefits to them. BCG Matrix is designed to help with long-term strategic planning. It is to help a business consider growth opportunities by reviewing its portfolio of products to decide where to invest, to discontinue or develop new products. It is also known as the growth or share matrix. For POS Malaysia, the courier service fall in the star segment, which is high market growth rate and high relative market share compared to the other company of courier service, while the logistics service for POS Malaysia fall in the cash cow segment, which has low market growth rate and high relative market share in the industry. For QSPM matrix, the total score for the product development, which is introducing of digitalization for service, is 4.98, while the other alternative is diversification, which is payment service, get a total score of 4.1. So the alternative chosen for the company is the product development. because it has a higher score than the other one. The score is gotten from the attractiveness of alternative and the list of strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats from the SWOT and TOS matrix. Issues that Post Malaysia face in their decision for R&D is to go to digital. As we know, current trend for business is through online and using e-commerce sites. Before that, Post Malaysia also have a soft launch for their business to go online with the introduction of mobile application and cashless payment through automated machine. Possible strategic management information system issues for the new product development that is digitalization. There may be some problems and disadvantages when the services are made through online or digital. There may be technical disadvantage which can be lack of system security, reliability or standards owing to poor implementation of e-commerce sites and the software development industry, still evolving and changing rapidly, which can be outdated if the development not fast enough. Other than that, the online transaction is difficult to ensure the security or privacy on it because through digitalization, the consumer need to have online transaction. The solution that can be made from the issues is that the company need to hire an expert in the technology field and increase the online security for the safety of consumer. However, this decision may be a harm to the current workers that work for the counter service as they may lose their job as the services can be made online. Post Malaysia considered to be the best in postal and courier service industry in Malaysia. Developing new service which is digitalization will make the revenue increase by 50%, which is halfway to meet the long-term objective as they target to increase their revenue by 80% in 4 years. This is because the implementation of the new strategy will attract more consumers which correspond to the demand in the market and worldwide trend, online transaction and e-commerce. The strategy may fulfill the need in the social culture as socially responsible which make the life easier for the consumer. Major competitors for Post Malaysia such as FedEx, GDEX and Skynet will try to compete with the new technology implemented by Post Malaysia to stay strong in the market. The strategy implement give a significant difference in revenue, but the Post Malaysia need to take corrective action. The corrective action that can be taken for Post Malaysia is that they need to implement the strategy carefully because the new strategy may become one of the advantage or become a disadvantage for operation of the company. They need to do more research and develop it smoothly as there are many other competition around the world. They also need to hire an expert in the field to gain more knowledge about the new implement strategy. As conclusion, Post Malaysia has a strong brand name as it has been established for a very long time since 1800. The new strategy implemented, which is product development, is a good approach as people tend to use internet as a mechanism for communication and having a better lifestyle. It is a good idea for Post Malaysia to implement the strategy in these millennial days for increasing their revenue and fulfill the demand in the market. As for the reflection, I believe mutual respect between teacher and students is crucial to have successful class with a great understanding for the subject. To have a positive learning environment, it is important that students to have an active participation and engage as frequently as possible in the class. Learning through ODL is a bit challenging as it needs the high commitment from the students and lecturers, and it also needs the good connection of internet. However, the process of ODL is a new technique that gives a good experience and example for future reference for both parties. I would like to thank Dr. Jalila for the great teaching and response throughout the class. Lastly, the systematic management subject taught students about what is the role for manager, what is their responsibilities, and how to deal with the challenge in a company. The experience and knowledge gained from this subject can be used in the work life in the future. Thank you.